This video is going to go over the list of assignments that you'll need to complete this semester. I'm sure many of you really just want to know, what do I have to do to get through this? So this list of graded assignments from D2L is going to help us go through that. In order to find it, you can go to the Getting Started module, and then Syllabus, Schedule, and Policies, and then scroll down to List of Graded Assignments. So these are all of the graded assignments that we're going to cover during the semester. Unit 1 includes a personal essay and a pre-writing activity. All of the written assignments you'll do this semester include pre-writing because part of what you're learning in ENG 101 is the writing process and how to start with a draft, revise that draft, and then submit a final paper. So you'll do the personal essay, the pre-writing, and there is an oral presentation in Unit 1 where you have to record a video and upload it into the course to share it with your peers. Unit 2 includes a skills assessment, a quiz on the course content that's loaded into the course about critical thinking and various vocabulary terms and concepts that we want you to know. The paper and the pre-writing include a summary response and the pre-writing for that. Unit 3 is a critical response essay and pre-writing, as well as another quiz and another skills assessment. And then in Unit 4 is sort of the capstone paper of the course. It's a critical analysis along with its associated pre-writing activity. So you'll have the opportunity to earn up to 1,000 points over the course of the semester, and in order to be successful, you have to earn at least 690 points. It might be 694 in order for it to round up, actually, in order to get to 70%, which is the minimum passing grade that you can earn for this course.